having motion, nigga. We having motion, we having motion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. Hey, we having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. Hey, we having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We having motion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Yes sir, rise and grind, man. I'm back at y'all with another video with the pull-up king. I'm out here with this scat pack. Yes sir. Got the brake pads and rotors out. I'll change my guy, TJ. Get him right. Got that. Pretty low. Okay, so this is what we got. This is gonna be a quick video here. These pins, that's what's holding the brake pads in place. I'm gonna take those pins out, push them back. I already got them pushed back. Then you get back here and pull them out. Can't pull them out by hand, but you get some pliers and twist them and pull them. All right, something like this. See how you can pull them out. Watch out, because that's going to swing out, pop out as they in there. I can pull that bottom one out with ease. Got that bolt there. Let's hold that. Alright, that's that bolt there. Once you get that out, pull that away. Now you can take these pads out. But what I'm gonna do first is push the pistons back so I can make room for the new pads. And how I'm gonna do that is I'm gonna just get me a pry bar and push it back. Got them out and the pistons are pushed back. Just use this pry bar right here, that's all. Alright, power stop. Got the new hardware. The spring, stop pin, grease, and pads. Got our grease on the back side of the pads before we put them in there. And it's all to it. Just slide it back in. Get your new guide pins and your hardware in reverse order. Passenger side complete. Going all the way around. Alright, on to the rear. Jump to that rear, same process pretty much. Just got the rotor down here at an angle. Knock these pins out. Take your hardware out. So I just took the new pin and I put it in, tap it in, get it in. That way you can knock them out. They stick out. And now I can grab it with the pliers. Alright, same way as the front. Take the pry bar, push the pistons back so you make room for the new pads. Yeah, man, so that's it. 2 piston on the rear and 6 in the front. Yeah, man, that's gonna be it for this video. Y'all already see what time it is for the front and the back, man. I ain't gotta go through the other side. So Y'all liking the content, man, y'all know what to do. Like the video, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Get back at y'all at the next video. Y'all be safe. Pull up, King.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion. I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, I swear I ain't focused.